Welcome to this step-by-step guide on adding a payment method to your WordPress website in just a few minutes. To begin, open your internet browser and navigate to WordPress. When the site loads, direct your attention to the top right-hand corner where you will find the login option. This is your starting point for accessing the features of your website account. After clicking on the login area, you will see several ways to authenticate yourself. One of the simplest and most convenient options is to choose the option that says Continue with Google. By selecting this method, you use your existing Google account, which is helpful if you already use Google for other online services. When you click on Continue with Google, a prompt will appear asking you to choose from your available Google accounts. Select the one associated with your WordPress account to ensure that you have the proper permissions to access and modify your site settings. Once you have successfully logged in, it is time to navigate to a part of your account that allows you to manage the financial arrangements of your website. Look for the section labeled Upgrades. This section is specifically designed to help you manage subscription options and other enhancements to your account. Within the Upgrades section, find the area called Purchases, where you can see information about your current plan and transactions. Continuing with the process, locate the Payment Methods tab from within the Purchases section. This tab is the hub where you can see all the payment options currently associated with your account. It displays any cards you have already added, as well as options to add new payment methods. When you are ready to add a new card, simply click the option that says Add Payment Method. This action initiates a secure process designed to capture your new card details with all necessary safeguards in place. At this point, you will be presented with a form where you need to provide your card details. The form will ask for your card number, the expiration date, and possibly your billing address. It is very important to check that every piece of information you enter is accurate. This is to ensure that no errors occur that might affect future transactions. Enter your details carefully, reviewing each field before moving on to the next step. Taking a moment to verify the information will help prevent any future interruptions or billing problems. After you have entered all the necessary card details and confirmed their accuracy, finalize the addition of your payment method by clicking on the option that says Save Card. This last step ensures that your new payment method is securely stored in your account settings, ready to be used for any future transactions on your website. The entire process is designed with user convenience and security in mind, providing a straightforward journey from login to the successful addition of your new payment method. With this guide, you now have all the instructions needed to add a new payment method to your WordPress website confidently and efficiently. Enjoy the improved functionality and ease of managing your account, knowing that your payment details are safely stored and ready for use whenever needed.